YouTube. You already know what time it is, you know. We're back with another one, you know. We're back with the war continue, the saga continue. And let's see what we are dealing with today. Yes, man, we're back with the Sparta boss. We're back with the Sparta boss. This war is getting interesting. We're back with the Sparta boss himself, man. There with family. The one named Dirth Day. We're gonna check it out. Apparently this one he dropped on Massacre's birthday. You feel me? That's why it's got that title Dirth Day. We're gonna check it out and see what I gotta deal with. But some interesting stuff have been coming up, man. You see me? In the last one, you know, man, yo, hey, dog I say, yo, Massacre say dog jog out him senses. You see me? Like, you know, he them leg and all type of thing. Say, wait, hey, dog, back now, work. Say, dog, hey, yo, hey. We need to hear what going. Sparta boss, so yeah, dude, you gotta address those allegations, man. You see me, I gotta address certain allegations I'm not to agree with. We not go deal with the whole Drake and Kendrick thing. Nobody now take no file out of them thing. You see me, I'm following through. So anybody that try to look for that to get a quick win, it's not gonna work. I'm telling them right now. So anybody that try use them line there if you try. Right there, it's an easy cop out and it's a bait cop out. We not deal with that. So don't try to cut that out on the head from now. Me I telling them straight. Anyway, family they are dirty here. We'll check it out and see what I deal with. We're not gonna provide much longer. Let's get it.
Fixing business fees. Fixing business fee, and all who keep secret fee.
Fixing business, man. Who keep him secret.
Come look how the M60s do it.
From the markup box, so you turn idiot. From that, me not see, but tap the nice gun idiot. Me know your style to run out and run in, but plug out and plug in, but no go.
Is that an AI massacre? And the man say from who box the dog, we not see your back. How are the blouse and skirt are going right here? How are the dog say? How are the dog really say?
Secret fee, come look how the M60s do it.
From the markup box, so you turn idiot. From that, me not see, but tap the nice gun idiot. Me know your style to run out and run in, but plug out and plug in, but no go. It's a shit that.
The markup box it down, brother. The Marco box it down, God idiot. The Marco box it down for real. I would not see you're not going to a sheep. I'm asking questions, man. I'm asking. Gang, let me know how I go in the comment section. Go on.
The nice gun idiot. Me know your style to run out and run in, but plug out and plug in, but no go. It's a shit that.
Come at a ball feature, me no need that. How the demon fi fear you know Jesus. Backstage on the beat, you say not doing that. The badness why you speak if you no mean that.
Ooh.
Looking at the Glock and you will find who. Catch around the table with a suicide note. Have a matic full of hollow pussy, you no try bolt. Got shot.
Wait. I'm liking this. Wait.
Stage on the beat, you say not doing that. The badness why you speak if you no mean that.
Looking at the Glock and you will find who. Catch around the table with a suicide note. Have a matic full of hollow pussy, you no try bolt.
Wait. Tin Massacre was sang them suicide note. Am I tripping down? Massacre was sang them suicide note. Oh Lord.
Backstage in the beat, you say not doing that. The badness why you speak if you no mean that.
Looking at the Glock and you will find who. Catch around the table with a suicide note. Have a matic full of hollow pussy, you no try bolt. Got shot up in your mama like told.
Me looking like scope, shut up pretty nine dome. Hunt for your dope, me make you look like crew.
You a crux, so you a go kill him mosquito pyro.
Me tell you what me find out.
Crux, so you go kill him mosquito pyro. Go on, Joe.
You look like crew.
You a crux, so you a go kill him mosquito pyro.
Me tell you what me find out.
You no killer, you a coward.
Fixing business fee. Go look how M16 doing. A 3 killer with 316. Fixing business fee. So all who keep secret fee. So them bad must see dream.
I am like, you know, family making songs now out of this. Okay.
tell you what the Billy goat. I mean, I go kill it. My murder, I no kill it sport. Artist, I'm a kill him out. Anybody's with it on your brain, bullet, I pick it up. I nothing but a mosquito, I fighting when him see the smoke. Listen, man, I say.
Any badness on your brain, bullet, I pick that out, brother. Stop that wrongful thinking. The man say, I'm going to clap the what?
Anybody's with it on your brain, bullet, I pick it up. I nothing but a mosquito, I fighting when him see the smoke. Listen, man, I say, Billy, Kappa, I no silly code.
Mosquito friend when they see the smoke. Get it, cause smoke freaking kill mosquito and run. Yeah, right.
I was fighting when him see the smoke. Listen, man, I silly Billy, Kappa, I no silly code. Rifle with the beam, I tear marina.
Listen, no silly Billy. Cause you call yourself goat and Billy is a type of goat. Holy shit, this man say a silly Billy. Boom,
I was fighting when him see the smoke. Listen, man, I silly Billy, Kappa, I no silly code. Rifle with the beam, I tear marina. Got a major board. Talk about you rich and you not have a thing of me not own. Madness I go bring you home, me lady like a kidney stone. Massacre, you're not a killer.
Madness bring you home, dog, blood clean.
Me not own. Madness I go bring you home, me lady like a kidney stone. Massacre, you're not a killer. Tap a ziggy, left your pan the ground, I crawl like caterpillar. From your this the teacher, man, we fully up a cap of that. Shut a snap your neck like me, I snap a picture. I one flow, you living now, you're afraid of property tax.
One snap. Shut a snap your blood clean neck like a snap a picture.
Girl, no say you. Shut a snap your neck like me, I snap a picture. I one flow, you living now, you're afraid of property tax. The world no say you nobody.
One flow, you living now, you're afraid of property tax. You say you can't live nowhere, you just living on the one floor because you're afraid of property tax, you can't afford a different floor. And that's the man I say. Hey, yo, boy, family.
Like me, I snap a picture. I one flow, you living now, you're afraid of property tax. The world no say you nobody, no fish at a nigga. Send a liquor killer, figure killer in a you habitat. I could have carbon on the automatic sticker. No care what caliber.
If you killer in a liquor habitat, they brother blood.
Carbon on the automatic sticker. No care what caliber. They say you want a war, me send a guy go set them up and wet them up like water wall. Cannot be the king, cause you know we close to Gaza bars.
Hey, send a girl go wet them up because I must say Tammy Lee style. I think Tammy Lee one of them and them were pioneer the saying I'll go set you up and all them things. Yes, Tammy Lee was the one. Tammy Lee was the one to start pioneering them style. So all I don't know we come up with them thing there and say them thing there. It's really Tammy Lee if you remember it. Uncle Lee man bring some of them style coming out when the dog just a bus. I real talk, man, we have to talk facts. We have to talk facts. We have to talk facts.
Why me send a guy go set them up and wet them up like water wall. Cannot be the king, cause you know we close to Gaza bars. Look how this and the get murdered by the Sparta bars. You walk away cause you're free for what the Sparta bars. Man never cry me and your body say van. Him saying son right, him a got tongue for shine.
You're afraid of the Sparta boss? He's scared of the Sparta boss? Oh, you know say. Alkaline. I would
Gaza bars. Look how this and the get murdered by the Sparta bars. You walk away cause you're free for what the Sparta bars. Man never cry me and your body say van. Him saying son right, him a got tongue for shine father fall. Remember you new to this and even know the art of war.
When you say blood cleat in the what?
Tongue for shine father fall.
Saint Rich and tongue for shine father fall. Bombo crap.
Him saying son right, him a got tongue for shine father fall. Remember you new to this and even know the art of war. You a go die. You're massacre.
When say your son go turn fish at the father fault. Are your fault? Blood clot. Massacre. You hear what?
Me a go murder you on your birthday. Me a go slaughter you on your birthday. Me no give a fuck, it's your birthday. You're dead now, pussy. Even this increase, while them go wake up the beast. Fuck me, I fuck up the street. Fuck the police, every demon me unleash. High power gun pan repeat. And any boy feel like them bad and them strong. I am a atomic ticking time bomb. You don't have to suck no pussy thing. Go down like the Amazon River, your blood and go run. You need me.
Say nah, if you saw no pussy go down, the blood. What?
The boy feel like them bad and them strong. I am a atomic ticking time bomb. You don't have to suck no pussy thing. Go down like the Amazon River, your blood and go run. You need military if you do my kind of fight. When the dust develop, we sail a coffee like anywhere we just.
I need military if you do my kind of fight, yo.
The dust develop, we sail a coffee like anywhere we genocide. Coulda the church a preach bamboo. At least me dip on all type of pint. You fear me and your friend, you still a look taxi right. But you know about bumbo clout, this type of life. Happy you gonna lick shot, you fly like a rice bar. Splash out a eye brace, splash out a mind. Family come on, everybody intense.
that whole like belly and a shouting and pain, dog. Go and choke.
She said, I said a 6 minute what that coke song they was in. Come on, bro, stop playing, bro. Dead now.
It's a 6 minute worth of coke song you sing out.
Give up my cap, the building a collapse, me come back. Me rifle beam up, how you like me comfort. Me sniper team up, camouflage, you come back. Me dark, me evil, and me kill for comfort. When I really see your price, got a feeling up in that. We let them a copy, get pull cocky, your body fat. Oh, every day I'm in there, we should come back. Cause your evidence, they like crocodile coat. Like crocodile coat. All your pussy, like crocodile coat. Pussy, you call me Sunday, I'm hope you're dead bad. The kids them catch AIDS and die from cancer. You know, see my leave like a flanker. You rifle them breeze, me not about.
Man, say you call me your name. I hope you're dead bad. I hope you catch AIDS and die from cancer. How the blood clot?
And die from cancer. You know, see my leave. Hope you're dead bad. The kids them catch AIDS and die from cancer. You know, see my leave like a flanker. You rifle them breeze, me not about fab. Hey, when they squeeze, they can't recover. It tight the century, they can't take over. The rifle's entry. That's kinda who's that? Who next? What? You know you're just.
Blood clot. Alright. How you not say? Tommy Lee. Blood clot. Tommy Lee say, boy, you call me son name in a dog. I hope you're dead bad. I hope you them catch AIDS and die from cancer in a boy. Yeah, man, then have a good long for blood cleat that my youth. Your blood run like a river around this blood cleat youth. Hey, Tommy Lee.
See back top the nice gun idiot.
Hey man, say they mark a box you down. We not see a back from them time that you gonna need that. How you doing? Pretend for bad dog. Man say about the shable down. Hey, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Shout out to the artists. They're going crazy on the diss tracks, man. We here for it and we loving this, baby. You know what I'm saying, gang? You know in thoughts in the comment section. She going crazy. She going crazy. And we love that shit. Yeah, let's get it, gang. Yo, guys, we know in the thoughts in the comment section. We there, I know. We there. I know say me just drop the video them and just start react. Me promise, me never listen to none of them. Yeah. We just get around call tell them and we go water down the thing and you know we love it already. We know nobody play out the war. You see me I say, but let me know in thoughts in the comment section, gang. Yeah man, till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, man. I'm out.